Whether perfect drip cakes, decadent cupcakes, or luxurious truffles, chocolate ganache has so many uses. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you a chocolate ganache recipe hack you need to know. Ganache is easy enough to make. Pour heated heavy cream over chocolate and stir. But what if you don't like or have heavy cream? What can you replace it with? I have the answer. It's milk. A few tablespoons of milk replaces the liquid from the cream, and for the fat, use butter. These are staples you are sure to have in your fridge at all times, so let's make ganache. Start with chocolate, not just any kind. Use semi-sweet, which is more than 50% cocoa. If you don't have a bar, chocolate chips that are semi-sweet work just as well. So let's chop this chocolate. Use a serrated knife to chop the bar into pieces of the same size. If you're new to my channel, hey new friend, welcome! Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss my next recipe and dessert decorating tips and tricks. Weigh the chopped chocolate and then add your milk. Pour directly over the chocolate. Most butter wrappers have tablespoon guides on them. You'll need 3 for this recipe. Add the butter to our mix and you're ready to head to the stove. Over medium heat, warm a pot with water until it starts to bubble. Once it's bubbling, lower the heat and add our mixture to the double broiler. Stir gently until it's melted and combined. This smells so good! To get my ganache to the right consistency took maybe 3 minutes, so this isn't very time consuming. Finish off mixing with a whisk. Doesn't this look like chocolate heaven? At this first consistency, you can fill a piping bag to make perfect drips on cakes, dip cupcakes, as well as drizzle on a number of desserts. When done, cover with cling wrap, making sure the wrap touches the top of the chocolate so it won't form a skin. And head to the fridge for it to firm up. Remove the wrap and the chocolate is ready to be whipped to a frosting consistency. You can also place it in the microwave for a few seconds at half power to heat if needed. See how whipping the air into it thickens it up? This ganache is so versatile. At this consistency, add to a piping bag to frost cakes and cupcakes with frosting that will make anyone say yum. It holds its shape from using various tips, and you can even use it under fondant. To achieve our last consistency, cover again with cling wrap and head back to the fridge, this time for several hours or even overnight. Remove the cling wrap and find the chocolate very firm. Use a spoon to scrape a small amount and roll into a ball. Hello, chocolate truffle! I like to toss my truffles in cocoa powder for an added chocolate bonus, but use your imagination for more toppings. And that's it! Whether adding perfect drips to your cakes, frosting cupcakes, or even making truffles, this ganache recipe hack is perfect for a moment's notice making. I hope you enjoyed my ganache recipe hack. Subscribe now for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.